Was your Facebook account suspended for no reason? You're not alone. Hi guys, my name is Panagiotis. I'm the founder of UberDigit, and I'm here with you for a very quick video regarding the latest trend of suspending ad accounts of several business owners. Facebook does this automatically, and most of the times it's without reason. And I wanted to do this, to create this video, to shoot this video for you, because it happened to me twice in the past week, and I managed to get it unsuspended. And I just wanted to share my experience and let you know that it's not that difficult to have it unsuspended, and I will tell you exactly what to do to get it back in no time. So first of all, the reason these accounts are being suspended is that because Facebook has set some automatic system, some bots checking accounts, and every time you try to publish an ad on Facebook, this ad is being checked by some automatic script, by some kind of bot. It is not checked by humans anymore because there is so much demand of Facebook ads during the lockdown. Everyone wants to sell their products online, and that is why most probably I assume that Facebook did that so it can speed up the process. Otherwise, you would have to wait forever for an ad to be published. Okay, so what happens is that sometimes it gets suspended without reason. For example, I got mine suspended, and the reason they gave me was totally relevant. It was like, promoting products that I wasn't promoting. So it was obvious a mistake. So what I did, first of all, I panicked like everyone else will do, but I suggest you don't need to panic, because there is a very specific thing that you need to do. If you don't know it, Facebook has a chat support for business pages. I don't know if you have ever heard about that, but you can Google Facebook business support chat, and you will go to a page, and if you're logged in, you will eventually proceed from a number of different options, and eventually you will see at the bottom chat with a live agent or chat with support now. So if you use that, you will wait for a couple of minutes, and the live agent will come to Messenger for you, and he or she will help you resolve your issue. Okay, so you need to tell them what happened. You need to probably give them a screenshot from the email that you received about the account suspension, and they will do that. They will initiate the process. They will file an appeal for you, and it usually takes 2 days. So you need to wait for 2 days to get your account back. So I hope that it didn't happen to you, but in case it happened to you, you can do that, or you can comment below, and you can send me a private message, and maybe I can help. Okay, and I hope that everyone is safe and everyone will find a way to get past these restrictions and, let's say, side effects of the pandemic and the lockdown that's been affecting everyone, businesses, online, offline. So everyone is being affected up to a certain degree. So thank you very much for watching. That was Panagiotis, and remember, a full pipeline is the only way. I'll see you guys around.